The columns are ready for the buffer solution.
Confirm. Starting the flow right now.
A robotic fraction collector moves rapidly, positioning tiny, numbered collection tubes precisely under the...
The mass spectrometer confirms the molecular fingerprint, a non-negotiable step in certifying the purity of the Neurotoxin Standard batch. State. An automated milking station extracts raw venom from a banded krait. The venom is then routed to a bulk filtration. The raw venom undergoes rapid bulk filtration, removing particulates. The clarified mixture is then ready for The stainless steel trays carrying the concentrated yellow venom liquid are rapidly moved into a flash freezing tunnel utilizing liquid.
In the Process B factory zone, a massive industrial lyophilization chamber stands ready.
Here inside the lyophilizer, supercooled coils rapidly phosphonated straight.
The sealed ampoules pass through a final optical sear, checking for seal integrity.
Bay 1 clear, temperature stable. Copy that. Sealing doors.
The Banded Krait Neurotoxin Standard BN-100. Lyophilized Venom Matrix Base shipment.
I'm injecting the sterile buffer solution into the lyophilized Venom Matrix base.
The protein quantification is verified at 5.2 milligrams per milliliter, ensuring suitability for the immunization and antivenom production studies.
Here. The robotic micropipette precisely dispenses the Venom Matrix solution. As it hits
The dose response curves confirm the expected activity profile.
Yes, the consistency of the Banded Krait standard ensures reliable antivenom testing.
Food and freeze vacancy. The validation data on the lyophilized Venom matrix looks good. We are clear for the scale-up.
Agreed. The bioreactors are...
This final scientific processing step ensures the resulting antivenom will be safe and effective for human use.
We did it! The antivenom protocol is complete.
And process B is officially concluded.
स्पीड रखना लोन्सो देखना था है जनी ये कब सारे से डरती है जब रुकमैन बेशर कर दिए हाँ पैर क्या है
Your vitals look excellent. The antivenom worked perfectly.
I feel so much better, doctor. Thank you.
Identify the Banded Krait by these markings. Remember, the venom from this snake allows us to create the life-saving antivenom shown here. Be prepared.
Thank you. This medicine saved my life.
We are grateful it is available now. We are glad we could help.
The real-time data shows the antivenom reaching the remote regions on schedule.
And the Banded Krait Neurotoxin Standard supply chain is secure.
The specialized industrial pipeline ensures the Banded Krait reach